Good morning, it's me, Leigh, with Victorian Dreams by Leigh, and I have a video of images from Modernistic Print Shop on Etsy, and I bought these images about 6 months ago, and I'm just now showing you them and talking about them. It is, and I don't know if I did a portrait size, but it is Victorian Ballet Junk Journal. You get 12 of the junk journal double-sided, and you get 24 of the portrait. And so let's go through them. I don't know if I have a portrait to show you the difference between the two. I don't think I do. Anyway, you get a portrait, which would be one of all this. So look how beautiful that is. Very pink, very vintage, very beautiful. It's so pretty. And I haven't had a chance to make anything, but I at least wanted to show you the images. They're just gorgeous. And I know I've been showing you a lot of images, and my next video after this will be projects or tutorials. I'm not sure yet, but look how beautiful that is. Look, isn't that beautiful? So I'm just so happy to be back in my craft room and to be crafting. All these individuals come as a portrait, and so there's a lot you can do with it. You can make, if someone's a dancer, or they take dance, 3rd grader or 4th grader, you can make them an album and then have their pictures with it as well. So that would be so pretty, and it's such a keepsake. Black Swan, I think that was a movie, but isn't the images just gorgeous? So guys, I will have their link of their shop and of this site down below, and all my links down below too. And the next project after this video will be something I've made instead of just showing you images for so many days. But not this, but all the rest was gifted to me, and I'm so blessed, and they're beautiful. So yeah, thank you very much for following me. Make sure you follow me, because I have a lot of tutorials coming up, and I have a lot of project shares and ideas, and just having fun. So yeah, all my links are down below, and so is Modernistic Print Shop. Have a blessed day, everybody.